Hello guys, good morning. So today is day 13 and let's start the day. So what is first? First is feedback. So usually I was trying to give the last feedback, but day by day the feedback has become very short. So let's wrap it up. As it is said that whenever something is started and it comes in the first phase of closing, then in the midway, then the last way. So even though it is the first phase of closing, it is giving a tough time. So yeah, today is a day where I was able to sleep like non-stop, like close to 4 hours. Else it was like hardly 2.5 hours. My sleep got disturbed and it becomes very hard to sleep. And then later on the whole day requires so much push. It's like it requires willpower to survive the day. It was feeling like surviving the day. The till morning, till lunch it becomes so cool. Afterward it becomes heavy. Then later on becomes active, and once it becomes like 10-11 at night, it becomes very heavy. So this is only first day. After close to 2 week, will be there. Not yet completed 2 weeks, but it was becoming so heavy. This is only first day where I'm able to sleep like 4 hours. So yeah, that is a one positive thing, and you can see while talking, because sometimes if you're completely in the sleepy state, you also don't know what you are going to say or absolutely what you are saying. It becomes so slow and the brain is not functioning properly and this kind of thing, because usually people wake up, they do all the chores and then they start with the other thing. So I wanted to just see tap that natural behavior. The moment we wake up, are we active that much to take a calls and discuss about it? So that is one good thing happened today. And in currently feeling much more active. So let's see how the day goes today. And also today I wake up much more early compared to the usual days. I guess 10 minutes more early, 10 or 12 minutes more early, but that was also a victory. No, not victory, that was one kind of achievements, because usually I need alarm to wake. Today I didn't I didn't require alarm to wake me up. I woke up, then I closed the alarm. That was the scenario today. And that's it for the feedback. Let's go to the first point of Facebook ads. So today I will be talking about Facebook ads. What policy? Yes, when you create. Last time I talked about ad tips. So today I will be talking about ad policy, the creative policy. What should be taken care of? What should be taken care of while creating ad creatives? What is a creative? The resources which are required to make an ad, which is text, images, video, call to action, etc. So image, what important policy of the image need to be followed? Misleading buttons, the button which we use. Let's say some in Facebook, you would be knowing this kind of stuff. Some people, what they do, they create a image, and the center of that image they create that play button. So people go there, start hitting that play button, nothing happens. It's just a static image, no video is there. So that kind of thing violates the policy of Facebook ads. You can't use that kind of trick in Facebook ads. Also, the before and the after image kind of a thing in advertisement, that also you can't use. That before I was this, before I was that thing you can't run in ad segment. The second thing, first point is misleading button, the second point is before and after images. So the third point, sexually suggestive, this is the word itself mean you may not need to explain this segment. So then too, if you don't understand, then I don't know from which planet you are. Sexually suggestive is like provoking the people by misleading that images, especially for the 18 plus people. So brand assets like altering the logo of actual brands. If let's say you have Reebok shoes or Adidas or any kind of brand, so Nike is like check they have like the right sign, the right tick mark. So if you just color that red and use it as a logo of your, that kind of thing is not happening in the Facebook ad. They won't accept your ads, and it will violate their policy. So this is the 5 things in image section: misleading buttons, before and after images, sexually suggestive, shock and scary images. Yeah, I missed that shock and scary images. So the accident images and the scary one images, which disturbing, which usually some people get disturbed because of this. So this also not accepted in the images. And the last one is brand assets, altering the brand logo. So these are the image guidelines which should be strictly followed. Then the second is text to image ratio. So ratio of the text should be less than 20%. And for that they have image check text tool. Image text checking tool Facebook has, that will roughly tell you they are going to accept it or not, but it will be roughly. So that doesn't mean you have to over exaggerate text. It should be 1 or 2 words, and that to add like logo or some immediate message in 2 words. That's it. So that should be used, because usually image should speak about the product and the services. It shouldn't be the additional text or additional data you are providing inside the text. For that they have the description panel for it. That's the thing you have to notice while creating images. Let image speak what you want to say rather than words. Words should say that who have made this image, who have taken this image. Just like a photographer, they do the signature at the bottom right corner or left corner of the heart. That's it. So this is the ad policy of ad creative, which should be taken care of. That's it for today. We'll start adding points tomorrow, and let's go to the movie section. So today's movie, and the surprising part, this movie name came to my mind while yesterday I was going to bed, and I came to my mind, let's talk about this. So this movie, I guess most of the people have saw. A very good movie. So the name is before saying the name, I will tell you the short story. So the hero, he is a janitor, and he used to do the activities of cleaning and rest in the college, and some maths class is going. Professor gives the task and highlight in the notice board, and after everyone goes to home, this guy as a janitor, he solves that problem. And afterward, when professor saw that, he got shocked who did this, and he start figuring out who that guy is, and then he somehow found that guy, but he has a lot of issues, psychological issues. So finally he that consult the hero to a psychiatrist. Slowly, gradually, he came to a point where uh, where he went to the psychiatrist for some reason that you need to watch in movie itself. And so then later on he gets slowly recover by a Dr. Sean, and then his life become much more good and good and also very very wonderful. So he was a kind of gifted mathematician. Hope by this rough story you'll get to know what's the movie is. The movie name is Good Will Hunting. So the guy name is Will Hunting, and he is like a genius in mathematics. The only thing is, like, even though he have a skill, every power comes with a lot of problems or a lot of negative things also. So he used to have like that something happened due to which he went to that state where he needed the psychiatrist to come to normal. So what you got to learn, even though you are like have a lot of power, so power comes with responsibility, and usually most of the people won't able to bear that responsibility. So even though you have a power, you should have that patience and wiseness or other all elements to make a call how to use that power and when to use that power. Otherwise there will be only chaos, nothing good will be coming out of it. So remember, my friend, power comes with a great responsibility. That's the today message. Do watch that movie, you will surely enjoy it, and you'll get to know how a small story can change a big life, make a difference in the life. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care, stay at home, and start learning. Learn something which will add a value to your current life. Bye bye.